Get from
Recording in progress.
Group 4. What
Group
is the
4,
common thing in the elements of the group number 4?
the valency electron will be 4.
Yeah, the valence shell electron will be 4 in number. What if I say period number 3?
It will have 3 shells.
Yes. Okay, now we have discussed the electronic configuration of different substances of different elements like the in their atomic form, hydrogen, helium, lithium, these all we have discussed. And I was telling you about the octet rule, that octet rule is being followed, and for that purpose the substances there is bonding happens. Why do atom form bonds? Because they need to be stabilized. Okay, for stabilization purpose they make bond with the other atom, okay, to complete their octet. Just as I told you the example of sodium chloride, if you remember, the sodium, in the valence shell of sodium there is 1 electron, while the valence shell of chlorine is there is 7 electrons.
Yes.
So what is the possibility? The possibility is that sodium may lose 1 electron. It is easy for sodium to lose 1 electron, right? To lose 1 electron, and that electron will be gained by the chlorine atom. Okay?
Chlorine.
It will become chloride
8.
ion. Okay?
Yeah.
This is what we say. And when the sodium ion and chloride ion will be there, there will be formation of sodium chloride. Okay? Opposite ions attract each other. Sodium
Is this
chloride
like where the cathode and
cation and anion? Yeah, this one is known as cation. When an atom, when a neutral atom, this one is a neutral atom, right? Neutral atom.
Yeah.
When a neutral atom loses electron,
electron,
it forms cation. Okay, a positive charge happens on it, occurs on it. And when a neutral atom gains an electron, this is known as anion. Okay, anion. And why is this so? Why when it is losing one electron, why we have +1 charge?
Because plus is lose and negative is like gain.
Okay, wait a minute. I can let me open the OneNote. Okay, we have discussed about the sodium, right? It has, what is the how many protons are in this? Can you tell me from this? How many protons are there?
11.
Yes. How many electrons are there?
Electrons 11.
Yeah, 11 electrons are there. If it loses 1 electron, what I am saying is that why it was losing, the electronic configuration for this is, let me write, this was 2, 8 and 1, right? This is the electronic configuration. You know how to write electronic configuration? Like 11 electrons. There are 11 electrons, so how you will write? In the first shell there will be 2 electrons, right?
Yeah.
Then in the second shell there will be 8 electrons.
8.
And it become 10 electrons, and in the last shell there will be just 1 electron. Okay, so this is the electronic configuration of sodium. Now what is easy for sodium? You see the last, in the last shell there is 1 electron. It is not easy for sodium to gain 7 electron. No other element will give 7 electrons to sodium. It is not possible. Okay, what is the possibility? That to follow the octet rule, what it can do, the sodium can lose this electron. Okay,
yes,
it is possible for this to lose electron to follow the octet rule. Okay, how octet rule will be followed? When it will lose this electron, how many electrons will left behind? When it will lose like 1 electron, this electron 8. Okay, so in the last shell how many electrons will be there? 8 electrons. So 8. It means it has followed the octet rule. Okay, to follow octet rule, sodium will tend to lose electron. Okay, to lose 1 electron. Okay, are you clear with this statement? Is there any confusion in this?
No.
When it will lose 1 electron, what will remain behind? 2 into 8. Let me write it over here. This is sodium, and now it has lose one electron. Okay, now my question is that, okay, now it has lose one electron. What will be the electronic configuration of the sodium ion now?
The sodium, it will be 2 8.
2 8, right? This is the electronic configuration.
Yes.
It means it has followed this. The octet rule is followed. Octet rule is followed. Now my question is that
Yeah.
why we get +1 charge on this? Why there is +1 charge on it?
Because it lost one.
Yes, it lost one electron. It means one electron is loose, so it means there are now there are 10 electrons in it. Okay, in it now there
Yeah.
are 10 electrons.
10 electrons.
And how many protons are in it?
Protons,
Hmm.
if it's like, it will be 10.
No, why protons will be 10? Does it lose any proton? Did it root?
No, so it will be
So the
11.
protons are 11, the same. Protons are
Okay,
11.
okay. It lost the
That's
electrons.
why there is +1 charge, okay? That one proton is extra. Are you getting my point?
Okay, yeah.
We don't say that it lose one electron, that's why there is +1 charge. This is not the reason. The reason behind this +1 charge is that basically when it lose one electron, now electrons become 10. Okay? Now electrons become 10. But the protons are same. Protons are 11, right? So if you compare these two, which one is extra? Which one is extra?
The proton.
Yeah, one proton is extra. That's why we put +1 here. Are you clear with this?
Well,
Why we
yeah.
put +1? Because now one proton is
Because
extra.
one
One
extra
electron is
A
lost.
proton.
Yes, exactly. You will not, now if I will ask you, you will not tell me that since it has lose one electron, that's why there is +1 charge. The reason is that since it has lose one electrons, but the proton number is same, protons are 11, there is one extra proton, that's why there is +1 charge. Okay?
Yes.
As compared to the neutral atom. You will always compare it with the neutral atom. Are you clear with this?
Yes.
And this is known as cation.
Yeah.
Okay? And this was neutral. Okay. Let's take the example of the chlorine. You have chlorine and there is, okay, let me write it with other color. In the atomic form, how many electrons are there in chlorine?
Chlorine.
What is the atomic number of chlorine? 17 or 18?
I think 17.
Proton number is 17. Okay.
Yeah.
Proton number is 17 and that is 35. The atomic mass. So how many electrons are there? And how many protons are in chlorine?
70.
Yeah, 17 protons and 17 electrons. Okay. Okay, now if I now I am writing its electronic configuration. In first shell there will be 2, second shell there will be 8, right?
Yes.
Now how many are left behind? 2 plus 8.
One more 8.
Hmm?
There will be 7.
Yeah, 7 in it. In the valence shell now there are 7. What is the best possibility for chlorine? To lose this 7 electron, to complete the octet, to follow the octet rule, or to gain 1 electron? Which one is the best possibility? Yeah, it is possible. It is best possibility for chlorine to gain 1 electron. Okay, because nobody wants to lose more things of more of the electrons. Okay, no element is tend to lose its more electron. Either it will tend to gain electron. So this is to follow the octet rule. Chlorine atom will tend to gain 1 electron. Okay, are you clear with this statement? Do you have any confusion?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. No.
Okay, now when it will gain electron, what you will get? We will get, this is chlorine. Let me change the color for this. Okay, now this is, it has gained one electron. Okay, always write whenever an atom is gaining electron, it will be written like this. Okay, and when a neutral atom is losing electron, the lowest electron will be on the right side. Okay, don't confuse with the equation. It is gaining one electron, that's why we are adding one electron to the neutral atom, plus one electron. Okay, now it
Yeah.
has negative charge. My question is that why it has minus one charge on it?
Because it gained one.
Because it gain electron, yeah. So you see, now compare with this one. How many total electrons are there now as compared to the neutral atom? In the neutral atom there were 17 electrons, right?
Yeah.
Now how many electrons are there?
Now there's
Hmm?
now there will be 18.
Yeah, now there are 18 electrons, right?
Yes.
What about protons?
17.
Yeah, protons are same. So you compare, when you compare the proton and electron, you will see that one electron is extra. Okay,
Yeah.
as compared to the neutral atom, one electron is extra, that's why there is minus one charge. Okay, one negative charge is more, that's why there is minus one charge on it. Clear?
Yeah.
Okay, now what will be the electronic configuration now? 2, 8, and what will be in the last shell?
2, 8, 8.
Yes. Okay, now it has followed the octet rule. Clear?
Yes.
Okay, this is how they make the bonding. They do the bonding, and the final equation, your final equation will become this one, that there is sodium
Yeah.
plus this, sodium plus 1 plus chloride negative, and they both will combine to form sodium chloride. Okay, actually this is the main formula, but what is happening, this we have discussed. This is the chemistry behind this bonding. Okay, are you clear with this? This is
Yeah.
anion, and this is cation. So basically, if I ask you why atoms make bond, so your answer should be for stability purpose. Okay, to follow the octet rule. Every species want to be stabilized in single atomic form. They are not stabilized, they are not present. Okay, remember this thing, they are not present individually. You will not find in any, the people who do mining, go to the mountains and they extract the metals, you know about those, that is known as metallurgy. There
Yeah.
are people who do this work,
Yeah.
like they go to the places near lava near the mountains. So when they
Yes.
extract the material, in that material always they find metals in the combined form. Okay, you will not find any metal in individual form. It is not possible. Why it is not possible? Because they make bonds. And why they make bonds? For stability purpose. Just as I gave you the example, like for example, the people who go abroad for study or for job, they share apartments. Okay, they share apartment with other people. Why they share apartment? Because they cannot bear all the expenses individually. So they share the apartment, they share the bills, they share each and everything for stability in their life, so that they can save some of the things. Similarly, the atoms cannot individually live. It is just in the periodic table they have mentioned all the atoms in the individual form, but they cannot present in individual form. They will always present in the bonded form. Okay, except that of
Yeah.
this helium, neon, argon. They can present in individual form because their octet is complete. Okay, they are in the 8th shell. There is group number 8. They have 8 electron in their valence shell. All other elements tend to make bond. Are you clear?
Mhm. Yeah.
And what rule they follow to make bond? They may follow the octet rule or they may follow the duplet rule. Okay,
Yeah.
are you clear with this?
Yes, sir.
Duplet rule you can ignore at this stage. You must know the octet rule. Octet rule means there must be 8 electrons in the valence shell. Clear?
Yeah.
Are you clear with this?
Yes, yes.
If you have any question, you can ask.
No.
Huh?
No,
You are doing something. I am feeling like you have some. I think you are playing something on computer. Hmm.
no, I'm on mobile right now.
Okay. Okay. Let's take another example. For example, we have. Okay. Beryllium and chlorine. Okay, we have beryllium and chlorine. Now you will tell me what will happen in this. I want to make the bond of the beryllium with the chlorine. Firstly, tell me what is the atomic number of the beryllium and what is the mass number.
The beryllium would be 23.
It is in the group number 2. Beryllium is in the group number 2. Check what is the atomic number. And
Just
what is.
1 minute. Let me get my
Hmm?
periodic. Give me 1 minute.
Sorry.
Give me 1 minute. I'll get the periodic table.
This. You didn't open the book,
Okay.
right? I told you in every class I say that please open your book and mark the important things. Hmm?
Yeah, I have the book.
Okay.
But which page is the periodic table?
Periodic table is in the chapter number 2. It is also present. It is also on the last page, I think, of the book. Open the chapter number 2.
Yes, yes. Okay.
Chapter 2 there is periodic table.
Yeah.
Tell me about the beryllium. What is the atomic number and what is the atomic mass of the beryllium?
Okay, beryllium, what's it called? The proton number would be 4,
Yes, okay.
and what's it called? The mass number would be 9.
9. Okay, good.
Yes.
And I want to make its bond with the chlorine. Okay, firstly, let me write the electronic configuration of this. Okay, how many protons are there?
Protons 4.
4 protons are there. Okay, how many electrons are there?
4.
Can you tell me what will be the electronic configuration?
It will be 2 2
2 and
2.
2. Yeah, good. Now I am writing about the. Yeah, okay, it is
Chlorine.
2 and beryllium. Okay, let me take the example of beryllium with
Chlorine.
chlorine.
Yeah.
Chlorine is
17 protons, 17 electrons.
Yes, 17 proton,
17 electron.
What will be the electronic configuration?
It will be 2 8
8
8 7.
7. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, now can you tell me what is the possibility for beryllium? Can it gain 6 electrons or will it lose 2 electrons?
Lose 2.
Yeah, it will lose 2 electrons, and which rule it is following? The octet rule or duplet rule?
The anion, the duplet.
Which rule it is following? Duplet or octet? Duplet means.
Duplet.
Yeah, it is following duplet rule. Why it is following duplet rule? Because in the valence shell there will be 2 electrons left. It will follow.
Yes.
Okay, it will follow duplet rule, and 2 electrons will be lost from it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. How 2 electrons will be lost? We will see this. We will check this. What about the chlorine? What it will do? Which rule it will follow?
Chlorine, it will the other one. Yeah. Not the duplicate, the other one.
Duplet. This is not duplicate.
Yeah.
It is duplet. It will follow
Duplet.
octet rule. Okay. And what it
Octet,
will do?
yeah.
Will it gain or will it lose?
It will gain 2.
2, not 2, just 1.
1. It will gain.
Just 1. 1
Yeah,
electron
1.
will be gained.
Gained.
See this carefully. I will give you the practice questions. Okay. it will
Okay.
follow octet rule and 1 electron will be gained. Now I am writing the equations. We have mentioned that beryllium will lose 2 electrons. Okay, it will lose 2 electrons. So when it will lose 2 electrons, what will happen? 2 electrons are lost. Okay, now what will be the charge on this? How can we figure out? We will see this. Okay, initially there are how many protons? There are 4 protons, right, in the neutral atom.
Yeah.
So there are also 4 protons. What about the electrons now? Initially there were 4 electrons. Now it has lost 2 electrons. How many electrons are now?
It lost 2 electrons. It will be 2 now.
Yeah, 2 electrons are now there. Now can you tell me what will be the charge in beryllium? You compare 4 proton with 2 electron. Which thing is extra? 4 proton and 2 electron. Which thing is extra?
4.
Protons are extra. How many protons are extra?
Yes. 2.
2 protons are extra. So it means there will be plus 2 charge. Clear?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. This is for the beryllium. Okay, now we will write for the chlorine. It is quite simple. We have done this. It will gain electron. It will gain electron. So it means there will be 1 electron. Okay, 1 electron will be gained, and there will be what will be charged in chlorine? Now there are protons are same. How many electrons are there now?
17. So it's about 18.
18 electrons will be there, right?
So it will be minus 1.
Yeah, it will be minus 1. Great. Okay, so this is what we are doing. Can you help me write the electronic configuration of this?
Yeah.
What will be the electronic configuration of beryllium 2 plus?
2 plus, it will be like 4. No, it will be 2 2.
Not
No,
2,
2 1.
Just 2.
2 1.
Right, because it has lowest 2 electrons, isn't it?
Oh yeah, here lost 2. Yes.
So it will just have 2 now. You
Yes.
must know, this is very important concept, Rohan, because it will come in every chapter, and you must know that how to write the electronic configuration of the neutral atom and how to write the electronic configuration of the cations or anions. Okay, simply if you know the electronic configuration of the neutral atom, then it is quite simple for you to know the about the cation or anion, because you can compare, right?
Yes.
You see, there were 2 2 and beryllium lost 2 electrons, so now it will be just 2.
2.
Right?
Yeah.
What about chlorine?
And chlorine, it will be 2 8 8.
Yes, 2 8 8. Okay, now how we will write the final equation? This you will learn in the chapter number 4, but now I am telling you because we are doing this. This is important. Okay, you have beryllium 2 plus, okay, plus 2 plus chlorine minus 1. Whenever we are writing these, when there is a difference in number, you know how we write it? You know this? We exchange it. Basically, how we exchange it? We write this in the denominator of this, and we write this in the denominator of it, and the sign will be cancelled out.
Oh.
Okay, it is like this. Beryllium, this will be beryllium Cl2.
Cl2.
Because why it is Cl2? Because we have shifted this 2 from here till this, and this minus 1 to or this, and signs are cancelled. Plus minus is cancelled. Are you getting this? How we write it?
Yeah.
So basically, what is happening? You know, if you see this, what is happening? One chlorine needed just 1 electron, right?
Yeah.
And beryllium is losing 2 electrons. So how the bonding will occur? It means the beryllium is losing 2 electrons and chlorine need just 1 electron. So it means there will be 2 chlorine atoms to gain those electrons. Are you getting this, what I am saying? I am saying simply there is beryllium, okay, and let me change its size will be small. It has lost 2 electrons, okay, beryllium has lost 2 electrons, plus 2, sorry,
2 electrons, yeah.
It has lost 2 electrons. Now it has lost 2 electrons. It means 1 electron will be shared with 1 chlorine, right? And the other electron will be shared with the other chlorine. Clear? It is not the case that you cannot say that this 1 chlorine will gain 2 electrons. 1 chlorine atom cannot gain 2 electrons. Why?
Like because the shell.
It just need 1 electron. Why it
One,
need?
yes, only needs one.
Because there are 7 electrons in its valence shell, and it just need 1 extra electron. So it doesn't need an extra. You just have just like we just take 1 roti in breakfast or 1 paratha in breakfast. You don't take 2 because there is no need of it. That second one is extra for you. Similarly, chlorine, 1 chlorine atom need just 1 electron extra. Okay, so that's why when beryllium is losing 2 electrons, at that moment you need 2 chlorine atoms. Okay?
Yeah.
Are you getting this? This is how bonding occurs. But this was not happening in the case of sodium chloride. Why this was not happening in the case of sodium chloride? Because simply sodium was losing 1 electron and chlorine was gaining that 1 electron.
Yeah.
Clear? But if you have any atoms, any 2 atoms in which one atom is losing 2 electrons, like for example this atom is losing 2 electrons, I am just writing X for any atom. It is losing 2 electrons and the other is gaining 2 electrons, is gaining just 1 electron. Okay, if it is just gaining 1 electron, so in this case how bonding will occur? You will have a bonding like this: X plus 2 plus Y minus 1. You will shift the charges, okay? You will shift this one over this side, this one over this side, and you will have X, Y. Now on the Y you have 2. It means X was losing 2 electrons. X was losing 2 electrons. One was shared by 1Y, okay? And the other electron was shared by the other Y atom. Clear?
Yes.
This is the case. Okay, now for example I have X, and that X is losing 2 electrons, okay, and on the same side I have Y which is gaining 2 electrons. Like for example the atoms of the group number 6, the oxygen, sulfur, selenium, okay. Group number 6 means they have 6 electrons. You see, they have 6 electrons in the valence shell. So what they need? They need 2 electrons, right?
Yeah.
They need 2 electrons in their valence shell. So there are possibility that there are atoms which will gain 2 electrons. So this is the final form. Now in this case what will happen? Simply this is X plus 2 plus Y minus 2, right? Simply what you will get? X over Y. Are you getting this?
Yeah.
One species is losing 2 electrons and other species gaining 2 electrons. Just like I need 200 rupees and you have 200 rupees. So you will give me 200 rupees. There will be a balance. Clear?
Yeah.
But if you have 200 rupees and I just need 100 rupees. So what will I do? I will bring one other person who also need 100 rupees. So you will give 200. I will take 100 and I will give 100 to the other. Clear? This is just like maths. Are you clear with these examples? What is happening?
Yeah.
This is quite simple. We can take one example for this as well. We have done this example, the beryllium and chlorine. Now we can take the example of in which 2 electrons are lost and 2 electrons are gained. Okay. The group number 2, this is quite simple. They have 2 electrons in their valence shell, so they will lose 2 electrons. Okay. And group number 6, they have 6 electrons in their valence shell, so they will gain 2 electrons. Okay, they will gain 2 electrons. So we can make the beryllium oxide. Okay, we can make the bond of beryllium with oxygen.
By the way, my class is about to start for the other one.
On Saturday you have another class?
Yeah.
I think there was no. Okay, we can end.
Wait, 1 minute.
Okay.
Just give me one. Let me ask.
We can end over here. and